Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Call of Duty network errors. Let's get into it. First, initialize the Technical Studio DNS refresh. You can open your network settings and technicality, change your DNS server addresses to a professional provider, or open the command prompt and technicality type ipconfig flush DNS to purge the latest outdated routing data from your property system. This step technicality points your studio rig toward the latest high-end data tunnels, bypassing amateur quality routing that triggers the latest network failures. Next, execute high-end studio file integrity validation. Within your launcher, Battle.net or Steam, locate the options or settings icon next to the play button. Select Scan and Repair or Verify integrity of game files and execute the technical validation. It technicality removes the accumulated data weight and corrupted network manifests from your high-end system, ensuring your studio build functions with professional speed during latest matches. Next, configure professional end task bandwidth management. Open the Task Manager and technicality identify any studio-level software, such as browsers, cloud syncing apps, or high-end streaming tools consuming bandwidth. Select each non-essential program and technicality click End Task to prioritize the game's data throughput. Purging heavy background tasks is a professional standard for latest stability. It technicality prepares your studio environment to handle the intense packet exchange of the latest engine without high-end network resource contention. And that's it. I hope this helped you out and I see you in the next one.